Albuquerque, New Mexico. In a shocking and tense situation, deputies from the Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office found themselves negotiating with two young boys, just 7 and 9 years old, armed with a loaded handgun. This incident, caught on camera, highlights both the danger and restraint shown by law enforcement in a moment that could have turned tragic. Viewer discretion is advised. This video contains real footage that may be disturbing to some viewers.
341, 131. We're going to be on the north side of our house.
Where they at?
You guys? And 394 has the eyes with the drone. It is going to be a handgun, black over white.
What's going on, guys?
And he's refusing
Hey,
to drop
kiddos,
it.
can you guys drop that and come talk to me? Just go ahead and drop that.
Put it down, babe. Go ahead and put it down for me, okay?
You're not in trouble, but you have to drop that and come talk to us, all right?
See if there's a magazine inside the magazine well.
Put it down,
But
baby.
they're playing with the gun back and forth. The one in the blue is trying to take it from the one in the orange.
Put it down, baby.
Just drop it, buddy.
Put it down, babe. You're okay. Put it down.
And now the kid in the blue and green has a
I
firearm.
need you to put it down, baby.
Let's not do that, boy.
Here's a shoe.
Let's not do that. Let's take our hand off, buddy. Let's put it on the ground. He said he has his hand on the trigger. Hey, guys, put the gun down and
394
come
has
talk
a
to
shield
me.
if you do need one. Someone wants to come back
Put
for
the
it.
gun down and come and talk to me. It's okay. You're not in trouble, buddy.
Just put it down, babe.
So we'll show you how.
I know. Can you put it down for me?
Just put it down.
You're not going to be in trouble, okay?
Just put it on the ground, bud. Come talk to us. You're not in trouble.
394, who has it?
Can you put it on the ground for me, bud?
The one in the blue.
One in the green.
It's going to be in his
It's going to be in his left hand. He does have his finger on the trigger right now.
Hey.
Put it
Hey,
down.
put it
Don't
down,
do
buddy.
that. Put it down, baby.
Come on. 5 minutes coming up to you guys. Okay.
Eugene. Put it down, babe.
341.
Can you,
back up.
can you lift?
You want 40 on that side? If so, I would go ahead and 40 on.
Fuck, I don't want to do that.
Stand by, waiting for it to arrest.
Just wait. Let's try to keep talking with them.
Wow. Coming up.
I know.
Eugene, put it down, babe, okay? Can you put it down for me so we can talk? Can you do that for me? Because you're doing a really good job right now. So if you could just put it down, I would appreciate that.
Which one's Eugene?
He has a firearm upside down now. He's no longer got his finger on the trigger. I would go ahead and 40 him. Try to knock it out of his arm, and then we can move up.
Hold on. What I want you to do is I want you to hit beside them.
Hit the wall.
I want you to hit the wall.
Hey, put that, just keep it down.
Sean!
Down.
I want you to hit the wall or hit the fence.
It's gonna hit the wall with the 40.
Hey, you gotta do what he says. I want you to hit this fence right here.
And we have tried speaking with these kids.
Sean! Can you put it down, babe?
Hold on a second. Give it a second. Kiddos, just drop that. And come talk to us. You're not in trouble.
Yeah, that's so far. We tried to talk them down. They're refusing to put the gun down.
If you can, ricochet it on the bottom of that wall into their feet.
Not
Maybe
with the
he'll listen.
cannon. If he puts the cannon down, will you put it down?
Okay?
So just
Try not to
put
hit
the
him.
gun down and we'll show you the cannon.
He's not going to shoot you, babe. Put it down. Okay, he's going to put it down now. He's facing it down. Now you put the gun down. Okay? Come on, Sean. Let's listen, okay, babe? We don't want to hurt you, honey. Can you put it on the floor? It's still going to be right by you, but if you put it down on the floor, then he could keep his cannon down. But put it on the floor.
Ready on 40?
Just wait. Stand by.
The sooner you put that down, the sooner we can take you home. We can go see your mom.
Sean, this isn't a game no more. We're not playing a game right now. This is serious.
Speaking with 254, but he's still
I need you to put that down.
We want to help you, Sean. You tell me what you need after you put it down, and I'll make sure that we get you some whatever you need, okay?
We're just gonna wait for a second.
Can you do
Just
that
hold on.
for me? Well, your mom gave me your names backwards then. All right, then Eugene. Can you put it down for me? Now Sean has it. Sean, can you just toss it to the side, babe? Let's make this easy.
I feel like we could.
Because we want to help you.
Has a firearm now.
We want to help you.
I want to try to do a warning, something.
Put it down, Sean. We don't want to hurt you,
I
okay?
just don't want to fucking.
Put it down, Sean.
I really don't want to fucking 48 kid right now.
We don't want to hurt you, and we want to help you, okay?
Aim it and fire.
It'd be-
48.
Put it down, baby.
40 going out. 40, 40, 40.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it, Sean! Load another one.
Taser, taser, taser.
Load another one.
40 out.
Drop it now! You're gonna get hit!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Drop it!
You dropped the gun! Taser, taser, taser! Put your hands up! Drop the kid! Put your hands up! Pull him up! Lock it! Drop the gun, dude!
Drop it now. Drop it, both of you.
I don't even have the gun. I don't have the gun.
Get over here.
Down, not funny. Finger. 10-3, 10-4.
Thanks for watching. This incident is a powerful reminder of the real challenges law enforcement faces, especially when it comes to protecting and guiding youth in crisis. We want to know what you think. Was this handled the right way? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories and breakdowns. Stay aware, stay informed. See you in the next one.